Hi guys, welcome back to Gadget Guide. Today, we're exploring the top 5 best rotating car seats. These smart car seats offer 360-degree rotation, making it easier and safer to place your child in and take them out of the car. With advanced safety features, comfortable cushioning, and adjustable designs, they grow with your baby from infant to toddler. Check the description for the best picks and deals. Let's get started. Number 1, Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster Car Seat is a versatile and budget-friendly choice for parents looking for long-term value and safety. Designed to grow with your child, it easily converts from a forward-facing harness seat to a high-back booster and finally a backless booster, supporting kids from toddler to youth stages. One of its standout features is the no-rethread Simply Safe Adjust harness system, which lets you adjust the headrest and harness together in one smooth motion, saving time and ensuring a secure fit. The 9-position adjustable headrest provides excellent adaptability as your child grows. Weighing less than many competitors, this seat is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for busy families who switch cars often. With a 5-point harness system and strong build quality, it delivers both comfort and protection. Overall, it's a reliable, practical, and cost-effective car seat for everyday use. Number 2, Graco TurboBooster 2.0 Highback Booster Car Seat is a reliable and affordable option for parents transitioning their child into a booster seat. Designed as a 2-in-1 model, it easily converts from a high-back booster to a backless booster, making it suitable for kids aged 4 to 10 years. Safety is a key highlight, thanks to Graco's Protect Plus engineering, which ensures strong crash protection from multiple angles. The open-loop belt guides help position the seatbelt correctly, promoting safer and more independent buckling for your child. Comfort is also well addressed with a fully adjustable headrest, supportive back, and height-adjustable armrests. The hideaway cup holders are a convenient bonus, keeping drinks and snacks within reach during trips. While it lacks a latch system, the seatbelt installation is straightforward. Overall, it's a practical, lightweight, and budget-friendly booster seat that balances safety, comfort, and everyday usability for growing kids. Number 3, Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster Car Seat. Eloise 2.0 is a practical and long-lasting car seat designed to grow with your child from toddler to youth. Its 3-in-1 design easily transitions from a forward-facing harness seat to a high-back booster and finally a backless booster, making it a great value for parents who want one seat for multiple stages. Safety is a top priority, featuring a 5-point harness system and Graco's Simply Safe Adjust system, which lets you adjust the headrest and harness together in one smooth motion. This ensures a secure and proper fit as your child grows. The seat is also lightweight and portable, making it convenient for families who often travel or switch vehicles. With a 9-position adjustable headrest, it provides solid comfort and adaptability. Overall, it's a reliable, affordable, and user-friendly car seat that balances safety, convenience, and long-term usability for everyday family travel. Number 4, Graco EasyTurn 362-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. Sierra is a smart and modern car seat designed to make life easier for parents. Its standout feature is the 360-degree rotating seat, which allows you to easily turn the seat toward the door for quick and hassle-free placement of your baby. This is especially helpful for parents dealing with daily car seat struggles. It supports 2 modes, rear-facing for infants, 4 to 40 pounds, and forward-facing for toddlers, 26.5 to 65 pounds, giving it strong long-term usability. The slim design helps save valuable backseat space while still keeping your child safe and comfortable. Safety is enhanced with Graco Protect Plus engineering, tested for frontal and side impacts beyond standard requirements. The Snuglock installation system allows quick and secure setup in under a minute, while the 10-position adjustable headrest ensures a perfect fit as your child grows. Overall, it's a premium, user-friendly, and highly convenient rotating car seat that focuses on safety, comfort, and ease of use for everyday parenting. Number 5, Evenflo Revolve 360 Slim 2-in-1 Rotational Car Seat is a premium and highly convenient car seat designed for modern parents who want both safety and ease of use. Its biggest highlight is the one-hand 360 degrees rotation system, which allows you to smoothly turn the seat toward the car door, making it much easier to place or remove your child without strain. This 2-in-1 seat supports rear-facing, 4 to 50 pounds, and forward-facing, 22 to 65 pounds, modes, offering long-term usability as your child grows. The slim design is perfect for smaller vehicles, helping you save valuable backseat space while maintaining strong comfort and protection. Safety is a key focus, with a 5-point harness system and advanced crash testing standards. It also includes a quick clean cover, making maintenance simple for busy parents. With 15 adjustable headrest positions, it ensures a perfect fit at every stage. Overall, it's a smart, space-saving, and highly practical rotating car seat that delivers excellent convenience, comfort, and safety for everyday family travel. Thank you for watching Gadget Guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rotating car seat reviews. Check the links in the description for the best picks featured today. Stay safe, travel comfortably, and enjoy smart parenting. See you in the next video.